Hey guys, Marcos Capsalis with Rapid Assault Tools. I'm gonna go over our window breaching capabilities and our line. What you're looking at is our 30-inch extendable aluminum alloy handle with the tungsten carbide tip. These are really good for the hurricane glass and makes your punch and allows you to get through those breaches. Another option is our 30-inch window break and rake. It's unique as it has an adz end, so you can still have Halligan use for it. It's 3-piece, so you have pinned and welded fiberglass core that's connected to the adz end, and then also pinned and welded your tungsten carbide punch tip. We have our 51-inch option with the carry handle to allow for ease of use manipulation. It's got the hook so it can get drapes, poles, any obstacles out of the way as you're making your window breach. The last tool is our long reach option, which is our 72-inch 2-piece window break and rake. It connects at the middle there. It has the rake feature for vehicles and to rake out any other obstacles within your window. And these 4 tools make up our window break and rake capabilities.